Iguaçu!
Oh, good.
We mwega.
Niko gapio.
Niko gapio. Umetako?
Iguaçu.
Iguaçu.
Yeah. Up to there.
Aya, etako Iguaçu. Nĩ mũthũngũ oinaga na gĩthũngũ. Na tũgũgĩkorwo tũgĩtukania gĩthũngũ karĩa kanini njũĩ na Gĩkũyũ karĩa kanini oĩ. I understand you understand a little bit of Kikuyu.
Yeah, a little bit of Kikuyu because I have many mothers Kikuyus here. As Kenyans never denied a plate of ugali, neither a cup of chai. I have been there. You have welcomed me to your houses, and I have been there eating mutura, makorofia with irian, mogate, and all of that. So I can say today, uhoro wa ko Kenya.
Where do you come from?
I'm come from South America.
And
yes.
for how long have you been in Kenya?
I can be around 6 years in Kenya. Yeah.
What do you do in Kenya?
Okay, I arrived in my area of expertise. I'm a lawyer and I have done some studies in international law and I have become expert in front of some organizations. You have to talk from my area of expertise. After I engaged in a master here in Nairobi University in international public law, when I was doing my last semester, I suffered an accident. Then all of this story, the family there, my brothers, pastors here and there. Yes, now I'm here walking after the accident and very miraculous way. And now I am here a testimony to tell the people there is a God there. Even when people tell you there is no hope for tomorrow, I was listening because the doctor was in a very deep pain. He saw me as a runner and he didn't want to tell me that I was not going to walk for 4 years. I was going to be in a bed rest. But there were Kenyan parents there assisting me, and in 4 months I could walk.
And how do you learn Kikuyu songs? Because I understand you have a number of Kikuyu songs, and of course you'll be doing some for us today. How do you learn Kikuyu?
Okay. Kikuyu, as I told you, the mothers in the church, I always listen to Emoyo, yes, oh, Emoyo. One day we were going to the church, and the lady who was assisting in the kitchen went to my room, and we started to pray. And before going to the church, and I told her, why don't you see that song that you were singing the other time called Emoyo? Okay. And then she continued singing, and then when I started to sing, I listened to mamas in the kitchen telling, yeah, that is it. That is the Musungu singing. He's singing Emoyo, listen to him. And from there, I learned all the artists of your languages. As a matter of respect, I will not mention them here, but I really like them, yeah.
So other than Emoyo, which other song can you do? Okay,
may I mention? There's a song of one of yours that is very famous, and I cannot listen to it because I jam to dance. That's Mayina Mabataro. Yeah, from.
You can do that song?
Yes, I really like it.
Go ahead.
Yeah, okay. Mayani Mabataro Makwa, Nigeria, Kaido Aquadoni.
Thank you so much, Iguasa. How do you pronounce your name, Iguasa?
Iguaçu.
Iguaçu.
Yeah.
That's your name?
That's my artistic name. I have 4 names. Here you use 3. There we use the first family name of the father and the second of the mother, plus 2 names. Yeah.
All right. Oko gofatara mundu wa kundaurira njire urauga na no ni ndakiigua ndakiuga ati aikarite Kenya miaka 6 kuma Korea, South America, and World Cup is going on. Which team are you supporting?
Okay, it is very difficult to say because as a South America has a tradition of soccer. So you have extreme teams like Colombia, Brazil still there, and then Uruguay. So, but and this is something that I want to teach from your own son, what I did the cover. We are together. And then the matter of that I make this song to be a cover even in soccer season. As you see children playing games there. I say at the bottom there are 2 teams playing, but then I say, a player appears from David's front. Who is this bright comet growing strong? Passing Peter the ball, now the disciples. Passing Peter the ball, Simon to Matthew, Matthew to John. Then he has taken again the ball. His name is Jesus, I've been told, and this is a goal. What is important is come together and realize that we are brother, and God Father wants us to be together to score that goal. Passing the energy from heart to heart.
Passing the message from heart to heart. Oguga. Regalo, al gotiga kana gomotiga ko inero bururwa Emoyo. Uririkane ndacoka muno rogina soko tukerererio horo wigie ucenjania wa mbeca nenda-inĩ cia ũkinyanĩria na nĩ tũgũkorwo tũgĩthoma maingĩ. I want you to do that song, Moyo, as we conclude.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Atoniaga dene wakaduri agatsuta mega magadira aduri makarogera yesone kyodera inane todo emoyo oh atoniaga dene watumia agatsuta mega magadira atumia makarogera yesone kyodera